guys, I'm going to teach you guys today how to mean the waist twisting. So yeah, let's go. Okay, this is how to do the footwork. One foot like this, and then shake your waist. And while this one is going back and forth, look. So you have to do your feet like this, back and forth, and just twist. And from the side like this. Actually, you don't have to you don't have to have big nyash in order to do this. Even small nyash can do this. You see? And the walking is like this. You take steps, and this one you drag this one, dragging. And you do nice things. That's your own style. Mine, I chose to make it look pretty. I do it like this. You can even make moves with your arms. You see? And I'm right side, so if some people are both sides, you can even do this. But me, I'm better with this side. And there is one more. You can, if you want to stand still, phone is blacking out again. And then you see my feet. You just stand still, and you shake your waist, just like this. You twist like this, and then this, and then this.